Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to search on Pinterest on mobile and on desktop. So first I'm going to teach you on mobile. So for this, open Pinterest, and after opening Pinterest there should be a search button right below over here. As you guys can see, you can click on this button, and at top there is search for ideas. You can click on it and you can search for some picture or the person, anything you want. Basically you can type anything over here. So let me say I want car and click on search. It's gonna show me all the photos and videos related to car over here. So that's how you search for anything on Pinterest on mobile. Now on desktop, so it's pretty simple to search on desktop as well. Just go to your search bar and type pinterest.com, and it's gonna take you Pinterest website. Now over here on top there's a search bar. Click on it and type whichever thing you want over here. Let's say I want cartoon, and I can click on enter to search for it, and it's gonna show me all the picture and videos related to cartoon. Or yeah, that's basically how you search anything on Pinterest on desktop.